like to tell people that we are on the precipice of a linguistic renaissance in Ojibwe language. We have everybody excited, everybody wants this, and everybody knows it's a necessity. And we have all the tools we need to make sure that we're successful. One of the most common needs we saw was the need for more curriculum and materials. As a classroom teacher in an immersion setting and as a contractor helping multiple other tribes and organizations, all of us were always in need for more books and more lesson plans and more new ideas and more language specific to the interesting concepts and content we had to teach in the immersive settings.
We all knew what we were working towards, and that was to work in our community, for our language, whatever that meant to each individual, whether that was teaching in a classroom, whether that was fishing and teaching kids about fish camp and sugar bush season, working those camps or working more in the classroom. Wherever we were, we just knew that we had to be speaking.
The Midwest Indigenous Immersion Network is a network, and that network is composed of multiple organizations. Some organizations are immersion schools or places where monolingual instruction happen, or organizations that develop materials that are incredibly useful for the monolingual use or instruction of Ojibwe. MIIN's current initiatives include our continual support of Ojibwe immersion education. And we do that through the development, organization, collection, and distribution of materials. We offer professional development opportunities online and in person with professionals, first language speakers, and whatever else may be specific to our network practitioner needs.
So everything that I was given, that I've accumulated throughout the years, it's already right there for them. They just type in the website and everything is right there and it's easy to access, you can't get lost.
The amount of support that I received during my first year teacher, first year program, starting out, I'm not sure how much I would have been able to do without MIIN.
We're trying to make sure that MIIN and this idea of collaboration and sharing and efficiency and shared solutions is everywhere inside of spaces where we're learning and teaching Ojibwe language.
Waadookodaading Ani Dash.
It's only encouraged and it's always appreciated. And the time is now. We can't fix this problem on our own. We need engagement from our entire region at mass capacity. And that is our ask. Get involved with your own language learning and reach out and ask. We want to help and we're excited to support.